Romney is the obvious front runner, but unfortunately it's just not strong enough, I'm sure, as they'd like it right now. I think they're still struggling a bit.
Why is that, do you think?
I don't know. I can't figure it out. I guess we want to love Romney, but we're just not sure. There are just a few things there that we're just not sure about. And for sure, Santorum, we just don't know enough about him. Newt's doing well in the South, and that's about it. It's a struggle.
I think it looks like it's more and more inevitable for Romney. But I just feel like people really don't feel like, they're not that enthused about him. So he's probably going to be the winner by default because the other conservative candidates basically are splitting the vote up. So if you look at two states, Virginia, where, it was 41 to 48% Romney versus Paul. I mean, Ron Paul hasn't gotten much vote anywhere other than a couple caucus states, and yet with an alternative, as the only alternative to Romney in Virginia, he takes nearly half the vote. So, I think that says a lot about what how people feel about Romney and the electorate in general, or at least in the conservative side of it. So,
my personal feeling, I think, is that Romney's the only one who's got a shot, and that for all of the probably more intensive conservatives that are voting for folks other than Romney, Santorum, Gingrich, Paul, will probably, in the end, in a general election, vote for Romney. I think that the folks who are conservative aren't going to vote for anybody else anyway. But when it comes down to a general, it's not like they're going to vote for Obama. So I don't know that would be the case for independents if one of the other, Gingrich or Santorum, wins. That independents can be won by either of those two. So.